Upcoming in this episode, let the intro begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, the countdown has just begun. Are you ready? Damn, son.
Welcome back and thanks for tuning in. As always, it's a pleasure to me to having all you guys seeing my videos. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to install replace the radiator fans, and this particular case is from a 2010 Toyota Corolla. I need to remove these bolts. These are the bolts who hold the upper part of the radiator, and then we are going to undo the thermostat housing inside of the hose, and also these other two hoses on the bottom, because this car is automatic, and to disconnect the radiator fan control box.
A few moments later.
Well, now it's just a matter of remove these two screws, the one to hold the AC control module, and also you have to remove two other bolts that's holding down the two transmission oil line cooler transmission oil cooler lines, as you can see. And it's just a matter of install the new radiator fan and we are done. That was the control module I was talking about earlier. Guys, I want to mention, please remember, I'm doing the same video in Spanish and English. So you are going to find on my channel the same video in the both languages. Also, I'm planning in the near future to separate my channel into two channels. So only one channel is going to have everything in English, and this channel, the currently one you are looking this video, is going to be the Spanish version channel. So when I have the second channel ready, I'm going to make a video about it and leave you guys the link so you can subscribe to the other channel. Well, now it's time to put everything back together. Also, I want to mention in the description below, I'm going to leave you guys a link to Amazon in case you want to buy this radiator fan, or if you use my link and buy anything else, you are supporting my channel directly, because I get a commission out of the Amazon revenue at no expenses to you. So keep that in mind. If you use my link to buy anything, you are supporting my channel, and I really appreciate that. Also, if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe, share my videos with your friends, and leave a like if you like the video. Well, now it's time to install everything back together, and it's mostly the same, just backwards.
One eternity later.
This particular radiator comes with this cover I am going to use the older one to retain the factory sticker like I show you in the screen. the the water hose is making a really weird noise. Okay guys, I'm using only water at this moment because when I was installing back the radiator, I noticed I have a nipple broken off the top part of the radiator. So that means I have to buy a new radiator and change this thing back again. So I'm going to fill this with just water so I can move the car around. Remember, you can't use only water on the radiator system because that's gonna create rust and it's going to destroy everything inside the cooling passes on the engine. So be careful with that. Remember, always use antifreeze coolant. Well guys, I'm done with this work at the moment. I'm going to test if the new fan is working, and as you can see, is everything good. Well guys, remember, just do your hands dirty and make it happen. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. We'll be right back.